Hi, so we're gonna go straight into reviewing the app in terms of giving it a rating and using a metric that I've developed solely for app review on this platform. So I'll come to explain the various metrics. So the rating is from 0 till 5, right? 5 being the highest and 0 being the lowest, right? So I'm not going to explain what is between 0 and 5. It just means it's according to that relativity, right? So the very first metric that we're using to judge the app or to measure the app is user friendliness, right? By user friendliness, what I mean is it easy to navigate? Are there like signposts in terms of just indicating where you need to go for what, right? And then also the level of complexity, is it on a range of medium to low, right? So it's not too complex. So for user friendliness, I'll give the app 4, right? So the reason that I'm giving it a 4 is that especially when you're a beginner, what they do is that you won't be going into the platform and seeing everything else, all those other stuff that I've shown you. The first thing that they need is your personal information, and that will be highlighted. So that will be the only thing you're able to access when you initially log in as a beginner. It'll prompt you to go and fill in those information over and over again up until you're done with that part, and then you can start moving on to learning the platform and so forth, right? So the second one is the security, right? By security I mean that in terms of your login details, are you that secured? Because at the end of the day, they're a financial service provider. You have your investment and investment portfolio in this platform. So do they give you like a sense of security in terms of let's just say for the app, they have like the fingerprint recognition, right? So not any and everyone could just log in. They have obviously the most common one, which is the usage of a password to log in every time. And if you have been on the app for quite a long time, it'll log you out automatically, because if you're not engaging with the platform, it'll log you out automatically, right? So I'll give them a 3. The reason that I'm giving them a 3 is that sometimes their platform crashes. The reason I'm saying crashes and not like saying that it's exactly crashing is that I don't know if it's crashing or if it's just maintenance. But there are times where like there are sort of unscheduled maintenance, and you go there and you find that the platform is not working, and then you have a notification to say that okay, we're still under like some maintenance period of some sort, right? Then another thing is the help function. So yesterday I did show the help function a bit, but I didn't go into it that much because the video was already 20 minutes long just on the web-based platform. So the help function, I've used the help function before. It basically uses a very old feature or technology where you have to submit a request, right? After you submit the request, I think they sent you an email to ask about further questions or something of that sort, but I wasn't happy when I used the submit request functionality, right? And to be honest, I prefer like real-time consultant. By real-time consultant, I mean that there is someone who's dedicated, a resource dedicated to answering questions that customers have on the platform, right? Instead of you submitting this request, you don't know when this person is going to get back to you, and all sorts of things. So with the help function, I'll also give them like a 3, right? So the third one is the appearance or visual appeal of the platform. I don't know if it's because of my being a girly girl or what, but I like the look of Easy Equities. It's very youthful, it's very vibrant. The colors are just out there, you know. Even if like you're having a bad day and you go into the platform, you're just like, yeah, let's make this money, let's make this moolah, y'all. When it comes to the visual appeal, I will have to give them like a 4.5 because I really like the look and the feel of the platform. And then from there, in terms of the niche market, right? Niche market being that they are a virtual financial service provider. That's the first thing. The second thing being that they're one of the I think they might be the only company that offers fractional shares. The third one, again, like, yo, what do you mean? Easy Equities didn't come to play, yo. I tell you, like, they're just wiping the entire game. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? So the third one being that they don't have minimums on the purchases, right? You don't have to buy a product for, maybe when they say you can only buy it from 250 rands, otherwise we're not selling you this product. So it's for us all poor folks who want to invest using 5 rands for a stock. Yes, I'll buy my fractional share for 5 rands because one day I'll have 500 to put away on that stock. So that is very innovative, that is out of the box thinking, that is very like challenging the status quo. So I'll give them like a 5.5. Yes, it's out of 5, but I'm giving them a 5.5. Okay, so yes. And then another, I'm not gonna like, obviously I can't really give a rating on this because it's just a matter of yes or no. So are there any ads on the platform? Hell no. So no ads on the platform. Do you need to pay a subscription fee? Nope, no subscription fee. Do you need to pay even on the platform, do you need to pay like some type of maintenance fee, you know, for having accounts with them? Zero, guys, zero. This is what innovation is. This is what catering for the poor and the like middle class and also the lower income band it looks like. So I am all for Easy Equities. So if you thought like I like the platform just a bit too much, now you see what I'm talking about. So yes, that's basically it when it comes to the app review. So please go on the app, see what you can do on the app, and if you want me to give you like what is it called, refer you so that you earn $50 and I earn $50 for easy money, you can send me an email, your email address on the community living 222 Gmail account. So yes, and then one more disclaimer: all the opinions shared on my platform are solely mine. These are not Easy Equities. Like, I'm not in any way affiliated with Easy Equities. I'm not in any way affiliated with any organization at this point in time. This is just my initiative to say that I want to impart, if I might call it that. I just want to share the knowledge that I have regarding various platforms, various initiatives, various tools with any and everyone that would like to hear about it. So thank you very much for joining. Please remember to press subscribe. Also, if you like the content, please remember to like and just share the word, spread the word regarding community living being a financial literacy platform and hooking you up with the best products out in the market. And yes, so just an overall for Easy Equities, I'll give them like a 4.5, even though they had 3s there and there. Overall, they're a very good platform to use, and as a beginner in your investment journey, this will be a very great tool to have before you can maybe consider going for asset managers. And if you're someone that actually wants to have control over their investment portfolio, this gives you like autonomy over creating your own investment portfolio and deciding what you want to do with your investment portfolio. And that's a feature I very much like, because I want to understand what is it that I'm buying into. and how do I buy into it as well. Like if I have an asset manager doing all those things, I'll keep on bothering them again and again to say, why are you not buying Sasol stocks when it's so low? Why, whereas they've got their own way of doing things, way of assessing the market, and I'll obviously have my own way. So I like having the autonomy of deciding when and how I choose my investment portfolios, and the platform does give me that kind of overview. So thank you very much. Love you guys.
Hi, as promised, I'm going to take you through the Easy Equity app. You can download it on Play Store or on iStore if you're using an iPhone. So okay, as you can see, it has the fingerprint recognition in terms of like the security functionality. So for some reason on the app, there are two places where you can access the menu. You can access the menu here, or you can access the menu up there. For some reason I can't. Oh, there we go. So you can access the menu up there and have like these drop down type of functionalities, whereas here everything is just on, like you can see everything in one go, right? So as I've mentioned on the app, that I felt like Invest Now should come first, then account overview, then deposit. So I think they were able to get it right on the app and not the web-based platform. So another thing is that once it's like more in bold and underlined as compared to the other two tabs, then it shows that that's what you're currently looking at. And also you can see your profile here, refund and earn. So I'm not going to go through all these functionalities because I did explain them in the web-based platform in depth. And then here you can see that you can only see one account at a time. So you just have to scroll to the right or the left. It really doesn't matter to see all the other accounts that are available, right? So same thing when you've selected the account, it will become like the color of the words. So this will be purple if it's selected, or this will be this turquoise, teal color, whatever it is, right? Same thing, investment types will be there. Because of the limited space, they invest, like you just have to swipe right or go to the go to right or go to the left to see more of what's happening in the investment type. So I'm not going to go into depth with regards to what's there because it really is the same thing, but I just wanted to show you how the app looks like. And as I've said, I use the app more, and then I can like just see everything. Account overview will be the same. You see the same thing. There really isn't that much difference. So yeah, that's basically it when it comes to the app. If you have any questions, please just comment down below. If you want like a second video, maybe that goes into like a certain portion of how to use the app, please let me know so that I can record a second video. But otherwise, that's it when it comes to the Easy Equities platform. So